Have you ever wondered what your financial health looks like to banks and lenders? It's not just a number, it's a snapshot of your credit history. And today, we're going to dive deep into how to access that snapshot, your TransUnion credit report. Imagine you're applying for a loan, a credit card, or even a job. Your credit report is the first thing they'll check. It's a detailed record of your borrowing history, including your payment history, credit limits, and inquiries. But how do you get your hands on this crucial document? The importance of understanding your credit report. Before we get into the steps, let's understand why it's so important to know your credit report. Identifying errors, mistakes can happen. Checking your report regularly can help you catch and correct any inaccuracies. Monitoring for fraud, a sudden drop in your credit score or unfamiliar accounts could be signs of identity theft. Making informed financial decisions, understanding your credit can help you make better choices, like when to apply for a loan or how to improve your credit score. Step-by-step guide to downloading your TransUnion credit report. Now, let's get to the practical stuff. There are a few ways to download your TransUnion credit report. 1. Annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website authorized by the federal government. Visit the website, go to annualcreditreport.com. Create an account. You'll need to provide some personal information. Request your report. Choose TransUnion and submit your request. Download or view. You can either download a PDF or view it online. 2. Directly from TransUnion. Visit the TransUnion website. Go to transunion.com. Create an account. You'll need to provide some personal information. Request your report. Look for the option to request your credit report. Download or view. You can either download a PDF or view it online. 3. Through your credit card company. Check with your issuer. Many credit card companies offer free access to your credit report. Follow their instructions. The process may vary depending on the company. Tips for downloading your credit report. Be prepared. Have your personal information ready, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Check for fees. While annualcreditreport.com provides one free report per year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, there may be fees for additional reports or certain services. Secure your information. Make sure you're on a secure website when entering your personal details. Understanding your credit report. Once you have your report, it's time to understand what it means. 5 sections. Your report is typically divided into 5 sections: personal information, credit history, inquiries, public records, and scores. Payment history. This is the most important factor in your credit score. Look for on-time payments. Credit utilization. Keep your credit card balances low compared to your credit limits. Length of credit history. A longer credit history can be beneficial. Inquiries. Too many inquiries can negatively impact your credit score. Improving your credit score. If your credit score isn't where you want it to be, there are steps you can take to improve it. Pay bills on time. This is the most crucial step. Reduce debt. Lower your credit card balances. Limit new credit. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Dispute errors. Correct any inaccuracies on your report. Build a positive credit history. Over time, responsible credit use can improve your score. Your credit report is a valuable tool for understanding your financial health. By knowing your credit score and taking steps to improve it, you can make better financial decisions and achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.